What you see, Misha? Huh? What you see, boy? What you see, boy? He just loves his daddy, don't ya? You just love your daddy. Look, get up here. Look out there. It's a big world out there, boy. Bunch of female cats out there. I bet you could get you some. I hate this light right here. It takes so long to cross. Okay, then I said something. Here we go. All right. We're going back into my neighborhood again. Here we are, September the 10th, the day before 9/11. And we got gasoline, we got money. We're going to have a good time today. I hope y'all come along for the ride. Now we're coming up on my street. Okay. See these old houses? Ah, damn it.